Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the apps and notifications, and then to the special access. Then tap install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of the apps through which you can install unknown apps. Let's pick for example Chrome, and then just allow from this source, and now you can install unknown apps through the Chrome as much as you want. You can do the same thing to the other apps from this list, and that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.